Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. Today my group will present Chapter 3 Organization Knowledge. Okay, my name is NURUL binti ROSLI 245422. My others member Nurul FATIN SHAZZWANIE binti SHAMSUDIN 245465. NURHASIMAH binti SAHAK 245427. First, what is knowledge? Knowledge is information that combined with experience, content, interpretation, and reflection. It is a high-value form of information that is ready to apply to decision and action. Next is what is knowledge management. Knowledge management is process acquiring, creating, sharing knowledge in order to achieve organization objective by making the best use of the knowledge. Knowledge management is also a group of system and practice for identifying, capturing, storing, and disseminating information. Knowledge management have three characteristics. First, we have structural. Second, we have process, and last, we have functional. Okay, structural is a set of information that is related to meaning by individual or organization. Process is a new or existing information by which both individual or organization develop new knowledge. Functional is a skill or core competency repetitively and enable to carry out some tasks. There are two types of business knowledge: explicit knowledge and tacit knowledge. Okay, explicit knowledge is actually can be write down, transfer, and share. It is definable and can be protected by the ledger system. Okay, for the tacit knowledge is by nature difficult to describe. It can be demonstrated but really codified, decided by its holder. It gets transferred to demonstration or on-the-job training. Next, you guys can see the framework for knowledge management process. There are 5 processes. First, we have knowledge codification. Second, we have knowledge generation. Third, we have knowledge transfer. Fourth, we have knowledge mapping. And last, we have knowledge storing. Okay, knowledge codification to codify the knowledge into the code in organization. Knowledge generation is actually the process to execute in order to increase the stock in knowledge asset. Okay, knowledge transfer is passing on knowledge between cognitive system. Next, knowledge mapping. Knowledge mapping is to identify the knowledge asset in organization and define way to accessing them. Okay, last is knowledge storing. Knowledge storing is a process of saving knowledge in organization. Next is learning from organization experience. Okay, you guys can see this is a format that using for study case interview structure. In the format, we have driver for knowledge management, which is background. We have content highlights. Next we have culture, process, IT, structure, listen, learn, result, achieve, and tools that we use. Next is define and understanding organization knowledge. To make sure the successful of knowledge management, organization should understanding clearly of how, where, and knowledge resides and developer in the company. This can be achieved by study of different definition and mapping the organizational knowledge. An organization must identify its knowledge asset as a first step to develop plan for acquiring, relating, building, and leveraging those assets on the continuous basis. Okay, last, the most common initiative was building some form of knowledge repositories. For the last, we have two main knowledge repositories. Okay, knowledge repository have two main. First, we have external knowledge. Second, we have internal knowledge. External knowledge is just define, organize, and communicate. And then internal knowledge have two, formal knowledge and informal knowledge. Okay, for the formal knowledge, they include research report, marketing material, process, and method. Informal knowledge is actually transfer technical knowledge from individual to organization. Okay, that's all from me, and thank you for watching my video.